Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
Excellent. We're just going to ask some questions.
Yeah, of course. All right.
Excellent.
Yeah,
So whenever you're
all right,
ready.
cool. Let's
Okay,
just
excellent.
get on with it, I
Yeah,
guess.
let's just get on with it.
Overall, how would you sum up the last day?
Look, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a bit of a challenge, but at the same time, I've loved every single second of it.
Dress to the fabric. I regret all of my decisions.
Oh no.
Oh no!
I swear most of the shots in this video are just gonna be a look of constipation from me.
Oh no! I'm not a professional.
Just wanna nap. When am I gonna wear this dress?
What was your plan going into this?
In all honesty, I didn't really have a plan. Friday, 27th of March, 1:03 p.m. We're at Spotlight and we are about to start. Oh my god. I don't have a plan with most things that I do, but I knew that I wanted a big, puffy, like formal gown. I wanted something that just make me look like the puffiest marshmallow that ever existed. So I knew that I needed tulle, then I had to figure out what kind of fabric I wanted over the top of the tulle, and I then went with another tulle fabric because the stars that I found at Spotlight, oh, amazing. So, I have all the fabric, $160.65 later. And like, I'm only gonna be wearing the dress for this one video, but that's fine. So, I have like 8 meters of this cute little sparkly stuff, a lot of lining, and a lot of tulle because I want the puffiest dress ever. I want to be a puffy, goth, starry marshmallow. That's the plan. I don't know if I can do the plan, but it's the plan. And the stars are like cute and hollowy, so like Christine would be ever so proud of me. I hope she'd be proud of me. Not that she's ever gonna see this video, but like, yeah! Hollow stars, so like we have all the puffiness that I'm gonna need to make the most extravagant prom dress. Formal dress. Once I figured out the fabrics, I had to figure out the shape, so of course I went for a good old circle skirt, because circle skirts are everyone's best friend. You're curvy, you're skinny, you're anything in between, it's gonna compliment you no matter what.
Oh, there's no blood. Last stitch. I'm sorry. Is that not majestic?
I knew that I wanted a tight fitting bodice, so I made sure that I put in some boning in there, and then just some cute puffy sleeves at the end of it.
Look at you. Look at you.
My stitching has just gotten so lazy. By this point, my brain's just like, just get it done! I just lost the thread. I'm doing sleeves. I feel like my eyes are just like glazing over. Drop my pen. Hand stitching this. I'm really excited for this to be over. I'm really excited to take a nap. I'm really excited to go get food. I think I want nuggies. And a burger. I think I just want food.
Granted, like going through all this, I did face some
What
hurdles.
specifically?
You know, the usual kind of hurdles. So like coming up with the silhouette.
I just cut it and now I gotta tape it again.
Coming up with how you wanted everything structured, and then just constructing it.
Inside of my outfits always look trash. Sometimes I wear things on camera and I'm just like, wow, that's a pin that I feel in my rib cage. Well, no one can see it, so too bad. It doesn't exist.
And also the time constraint that I gave myself, which she was a choice.
Right! So if I just keep cutting pieces like this and then I stitch it all together afterwards, I'm gonna have the fullest skirt out. My plan is to hope that this little crazy idea works out.
Just gotta kind of work without the pins, right? Who needs pins when it comes to sewing? I don't. I don't need sleep. Sleep is for the weak. I will sleep when I'm dead. Stop doing that. Alright, I just woke up.
6:03 a.m. I think if my mathematical skills are correct, that means I had a really good extended nap.
There's just so much fabric.
I'm trying to do the quickest hand stitch I can. I keep stabbing myself.
What is it like to complete this challenge?
I'm not gonna lie, she was a bit of a relief. It was a relief, but at the same time, like, it was so satisfying.
I'm trying to do like the quickest hand stitch of my life because I know I've only got like 2 minutes left or something crazy. So in doing that, I keep stabbing myself. I just
I thought it was like 1:30 something, so I'm way off.
1:30.
That's what I thought. But
Do I have a whole extra half hour?
Why have I been hand stitching so fast?
There's been so much blood loss from my fingers with this project, and you're telling me that there's an extra half hour that I forgot about? My thumbs are so sore. My brain hurts. We've re-looked at the footage. Don't have an extra half hour. 1:03 was when I started making this video. 12:57. Smashed it by 5. Just want a nap. I just want a nap so bad. It's just wake me up like tomorrow. I hate it. I did it. Just why? Why? Like I don't have a prom to go to. I don't have a formal to go to. All I wear is hoodies. When am I gonna wear this dress? Why did it have to be made in 24 hours? I just want to go to bed. Why do I do this? It's just so stupid. Oh my god. The coffee's cold.
But at the end of the day, every blood, sweat and tear moment that I did have, I think it was completely worth it, because like to watch me go from just an idea of what kind of dress I wanted to like having the dress in front of me and being able to put it on, it's a surreal kind of moment, but one that I love that I got to experience it. Definitely 100% will do it again.
First things first, gotta get dressed up.
The jewel's stuck on something. He's stuck.
Ah! It's stuck on. It's stuck in the. It's stuck in the mannequin. I forgot to show his little nail. I'm just going to pin it.
I'm gonna stab myself in the ankle if I pin that. Look, I said at one point, pins always stab me in the rib cage. Now it's gonna stab me in the ankle. Haha, love that for me. She isn't a ballerina.
Is this what everyone else does?
Ooh. Ooh. A shimmy in this. Gotta get that even.
Are you okay there, Maxie? No, you got dirt on the dress before. No, you got dirt on the dress before. I know, I'm so pretty, but you got dirt on me.
Now you're gonna get that on me again. Maxie, away. Ah, the horse is here.
Hello, Juju. You're also gonna get dirt on. You're gonna get dirt on the dress.
Get dirt. You're gonna get dirt.
I got to reveal the magnificence. I know. It's so magnificent.
Fashion.
I just feel so pretty. Sad thing is, I don't have anywhere to go with this dress. I want to go back to the actors so I can wear my dress.
Ooh.
Fashion. I did the thing. I did the thing. I did the thing. I did the thing. 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours. I did it. I did it. I did it, I did it, I did it. Ah, I did it, I did it. Oh, did the thing. Oh my gosh. The stupidest part about all of this is I finished this dress. It is Monday right now. I finished this dress on Saturday. I started on Friday, I finished it Saturday, and then on Sunday I was like, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to be any part of it. No, it doesn't exist because I just, I'm proud of myself. But also, like, it was hard. It's a challenge for a reason, right? The even stupider part about it is no one requested this video. No one even like mentioned like even the idea of the video. I just decided upon myself one day, you know what would be fun? If I designed and made a football dress in 24 hours, even though I don't have anyone to wear this. Don't forget what Tim Mother always says. If you cannot say something nice, say something cruel. And what they have to say about this situation is, I don't want to do it again! I want to eat this in the bin out of principle, but also it's so pretty and so shiny that I want to keep it. Let me know if you think this was pass or fail, and if you want to see me do similar videos to this. Part of me is really hoping that you like this kind of video, you like this kind of content, and you want to see more of it. But also, like, I like sleep. I'll see you next video. Much love.